According to the returning values, method can be classified into, there are three types. There are three types of methods according to your returning values. There are three type of methods according to your returning values. A method which does not have any value to return is type is void. All method or function except those of type void returns a value. Void means a method which does not returns any value. A method which does not returns any value is this type is void. If in a method a return statement is missing, then the return value of the method is technically undefined. Only that method is declared as void. A method which does not returns a value is declared as void. Now we will discuss about the three type of methods. A method can return only a single value, although it can have multiple return statements. Even if it can have multiple return statements, but only it will return a single value because only the first return statement is executed. Even if it can have multiple return statements, it can return only a single value because rest of the return statements will not get executed. First one is computational method. Computational methods are methods which is used for calculation or computation, which is used for calculation or computation, and it returns a computed value. After that it will returns a computed value, your output. Such examples are math.square root, math.cos. This is a method which performs an operation and returns a output. It returns a output. These type of methods are known as computational method, which is used for calculation. And second type of method is known as manipulative method. Manipulative method. In this method, it will do some manipulation, some changes in the information. The method that manipulate the information, it will manipulate the information and return either success or failure. If the action is success, then it will return a 0. If the action is failure, it will return any other number. This is known as manipulative method. That is, it manipulates the information and either return a success or failure. 0 means success, any other number means failure. And the third type is procedural method. This means it will do an action. It will do an action and will not return and have no explicit return value. It has no explicit return value. It performs an action but it does not have any explicit return value. Example is system.out.println. This is a method. Println is a method. See, here there is a parenthesis. This is a method, is a procedural method. It will do some action but it will not return any value. So there are three types of method. Go through it, okay? And they have given a syntax for how to return a value. Just you have to write the keyword return in small letter and you have to write a value and a semicolon. This can be a variable or a constant. A variable or a constant. One can be a variable or a constant. You can write in that position. This is the way how to return a value.